Earlier this week, the governor urged Nevadans to stay at home as coronavirus cases do surge nationwide.
And since then, several states on the West Coast have implemented travel advisories for anyone who might be heading out of state. But it's not stopping some from actually visiting Las Vegas.
Sasha Loftus live on the Strip tonight with more on this. Sasha.
Denise and Brian, we saw quite a few tourists out and about tonight. They say they feel safe coming here to the valley as long as everyone follows the rules. But I also spoke with a local expert who said that traveling of any kind right now has the potential to put everyone at risk. As the coronavirus pandemic rages on, tourism is still alive and well here in Las Vegas.
Here, I think a little bit of a mix. I see people wearing masks and I see people not wearing masks.
If you don't have to go out, don't go out.
Governor Sisolak has asked all southern Nevadans to stay home and curb a record case spike. But he says visitors are still welcome.
They certainly should come because those are protecting our jobs. But when they come here and they're staying in one of our properties, they need to wear a mask.
UNLV Assistant Public Health Professor Brian Labus tells me traveling ramps up everyone's risk, especially if some aren't going with necessary guidelines.
Well, if people aren't following the steps they need to take to protect others, everyone's risk goes up. Not just the other tourists, but the people that are working in the casinos see an increased risk as well.
He says anyone taking a trip should consider the potential consequences.
Everybody needs to do their part and maintain social distancing, wear masks, and do what you can to protect yourself and others when you visit Las Vegas.
That's why the tourists we spoke with say it's important to take precautions and keep our city open and healthy.
It's Vegas, so you have to go and see things, but safely.
I did reach out to the governor's office to see if the state would be implementing any kind of travel restrictions here in Nevada since the governor's press conference earlier this week. I have not yet heard back. We're now reporting live on the Las Vegas Strip. Sasha Loftus, 8 News Now.